Hello guys, welcome to the new video. It's officially day 36 of using 50,000 capital for the 50 trading days. So in the early morning session, we saw Nifty gapped out and it opened around 840 level, and then we saw Nifty went on to like made an high till 18 90,875. So exactly if you see, this is the candle wherein the last weekly expiry candle wherein Nifty had made a huge momentum, and then we saw a huge crackdown from there itself. So previous week also we saw 19,870 was the high precisely, and even today's expiry day, if you see, the day was almost the 19,870. So with that aspect, I thought of this was a logic behind the trade that I took for the today's session. However, if Nifty would have sustained at this above this level for 5 to 10 minutes, then there would have been a short covering in the Nifty would have gone till 90,900 and above. But however, it took the resistance at this point, and then we saw a huge crackdown till Nifty went down to yesterday's closing price. So and almost like 18,000, 19,800, and from there on, Nifty was in a sideways consolidation mode for the entire day. So with that aspect, I made an entry in 90,850 put for this today's expiry. Now, let me show you the order history over here. If you see, I started making an entry in 90,850 puts, almost at 930 to 935 odd level at the time. So with that aspect, if you this is on a 15-minute time frame basis. I started making an entry in first couple of candles, and then I made an entry at this point at assuming that Nifty would take resistance at this point. So and I was not able to capture the exact move. If I move on to 5 minute time frame basis, what I did is I exited my trade in this candle itself. The exit I made is because there was a gap up, and I thought like at this point Nifty would take support, because in the first candle we saw doji, and then there was a huge candle in on a 5 minute time frame basis in the second candle. So with that aspect, I thought like Nifty would take, and I exited in this candle itself. However, Nifty went on again to 19,870 after a breakdown. So I exited my trades at 30 rupees at 946 exactly in this candle. If you see in 945 candle, wherein I made an exit at this point. And however, this trade, the premium went on to almost, during the daytime, this premium went on to 72 rupees to 75 rupees, and I was not able to cash in entire premium. But however, with the trade, I was able to make around 12,000 profit from this trade. And in between also, I made an entry in 90,850 put with a few lots, and I was able to gain around 2020. But the premium was not increasing, because if you see in the second half, the Nifty was in a sideways consolidation zone. There was 19,820 was the high, which was making after a breakdown from this point, and around almost like 90,790 was a low over here. So in this 20-30 points, the Nifty was in the sideways, and hence the premium was not increasing. However, I was trading with a monthly expiry option, and with regards to the put that I am carrying, still 90,750 put, I am still holding it. I'll be adding up positions with different, in the same strike price or in additional. I'll be adding up at the money strike price put to compensate. However, my view is still on the downside for the Nifty, but unless and until 90,870 is broken on a daily time frame basis, Nifty will not be making a much move. But however, we'll see sideways momentum, or we will see, unless and until on the lower side also around 90,670 odd level is taken out, there will be not that much fall also. But we have to watch out for this level, and then if 90,760 odd level is broken, then we might expect around 90,700 odd levels wherein Nifty to go up to. So I'll be updating about the trades and the upcoming trades I'll be taking in the coming weeks. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.